What's up? I'm Chris Tucker.
Well. Chris Tucker is now making a comeback in the movie industry. He signed up to star in Ben Affleck's new movie about Nike salesman Sonny Vaccaro and Nike co-founder Phil Knight, who tried to sign Michael Jordan to Nike back in 1985 when Nike was the smallest brand in basketball and he was picking between going to Converse or Adidas. Chris Tucker will play former college basketball player and junior Nike executive Howard White. I haven't seen Chris Tucker in a movie since Rush Hour 3 back in 2007. Although he's appeared briefly in a few low-budget films, Chris has decided not to take on too many roles because he hadn't found films that have sparked his interest or fit his Christian values. Many of us might remember Chris Tucker from Def Comedy Jam on HBO back in 1992, where he appeared several times and he really stood out. Most of those appearances on Def Comedy Jam actually earned him some small movie roles. Firstly in House Party 3, where he had a small role, but then he had his big hit as Smokey in Friday. And didn't reprise his role as Smokey in Next Friday, which came out in 2000, or Friday After Next, which came out 2002, because of religious reasons. Chris Tucker later explained that, look, he didn't want to encourage others to smoke weed, which he thought the first movie alluded to. Chris went on to star in some other big films like The Fifth Element, Money Talks, and Jackie Brown, but really gained his fame from playing Detective James Carter in the Rush Hour series. Actually, Chris Tucker wasn't sure he wanted to do Rush Hour 3, but he says $20 million changed his mind. But then also the fact that he had a chance to continue working with his very good friend, Jackie Chan. Despite the success of Rush Hour series, Chris Tucker seemed to take a step back from Hollywood after an exhausting promotion of Rush Hour 3, but he also wasn't happy with the types of roles that he was being offered. In 2014, Chris Tucker also told in an interview that he actually was careful with the kinds of films he was filming, but also the types of language he had to use in movies due to his Christian faith. Although we hadn't seen Chris Tucker on the Hollywood screens, Chris has been selling out tours around the world. In 2019, he had a worldwide comedy tour, and which was cut short in 2020 due to pandemic. But since 2021, he's been touring the US, sell-out shows around the country. So what are your thoughts about Chris Tucker taking on this new movie? What are your thoughts of him not taking on any Hollywood film just because of the money, but making sure it matches his value? Please remember to comment below, and thanks again for watching.
This is the baddest man in the world. Later on, I want y'all to do one of them. I gotta kill everybody. Oh, that's the time, man. They said they was gonna do. Okay, yeah, that's right.
Well, if you want to do something with him now, tell the world about this guy.
This is the Mr. Witherspoon. Is the funniest man in the world. Y'all come see the movie because there's a lot of surprises. It's gonna be on. Peace out.
Get a job, kids. That's my theme. Get a job. Kids of America, please get a damn job.
Sounds like you're a father in real life.
Oh, yeah. Get out of the house. Leave the refrigerator alone.
About my meat.
Look who I ran into in the golf course. Debo! Debo, where you been? Love you, man. I love you.
All right,
Oh, man. All right. Indianapolis, I'm coming to your town, man. You better be at the show, or we're gonna have a problem. Indianapolis, I'm looking for you. See you Saturday. Showtime. What's up? This your boy Chris Tucker. I'm on tour. I'm at the airport right now. I'm coming to your town, my world tour. Come see me, baby.
Thanks for watching The Media Room. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. More inside stories to come. Once again, thanks again.